Hello everyone, hope you are doing well today, and today we are going to run through some of the SEMrush project tools which will help you to improve your website optimization and get your network working a little bit better. My name is Boris, I'm a customer success specialist here at SEMrush, and over time, we run this webinar. You can ask me any questions, and if you have any questions later, you can reach us by mail at semrush.com or just call us at any time you need. Right, so let's dive into the SEMrush tools. Let me just share my screen with you. Right. You should be able to see the SEMrush interface right now. It might be quite confusing to run through the SEMrush options and tools without any guidance. So if you have some questions, there is a lot of knowledge bases and help articles provided to help you get your website optimized and get your competitors analysis even better. And in this overview, we'll focus on the tools which you can imply to your website and see what's going on with the website, to view the website optimization and what to expect when you're looking over the competitors and look through the competitors' keywords and over the different websites. Right. So let's start with the project setup. Most of the times, our users have troubles creating a project because we seem to try to create projects for different domains and not their own. Sometimes it's quite confusing, but the main point while we create a project is to create a project for the root domain, because that way the tools will pick up most of the data for all the entrances of the domain, all the versions of the subdomains, and all the subfolders. For example, let's create a domain, a project for Amazon.com. I will show you the creation of a project, and we'll look over the project which already run for some time, and we'll be able to see what results are we going to get when we run a project for some time and apply different filters, different options to the tools. Right. First of the tools we are going to overview is the site audit tool. Setting up of a tool is quite easy. We just need to select which part of the domain we are going to check, and select the amount of checked pages, the amount of pages our bot is going to crawl on your website. Basically, there is a technical limit for 20,000 pages, but we can get as many pages as we need by checking the custom amount of pages. The limit is still 20,000, but if your website has different amount of pages and you do not want to spend your crawl limit on different pages, you can just limit the amount of pages by setting up the limits here. In the crawl scope, you can select to view different parts of the domain. For example, to only crawl in the English subdomain or any particular local subdomain, or even if you have a subdomain for some particular product, for some particular business, you can set up any part of the domain which you would like. Or you can select to view any particular subfolder. For example, here we can set up the amazon.com.en in order to check only the English part of the amazon.com. That option will allow you to check the particular parts of your website and analyze which parts of the website you would like to view, which parts of the website you would like to improve or to check on them even further. Right. Next setting is the crawler settings. This one is not really important because both all the options will get similar results. There is an option to select between the SEMrush bot and Google bot. Also, you are able to select between mobile and desktop versions of the bot. The difference is some domains might respond differently to the mobile and desktop versions, and some domains might have a block on the SEMrush bot or Google bot. So that one is just a technical option to check the domain if there is any block on the domain. Right. Next option is the allow or disallow URL. That option will allow you to check on the particular page or not check the particular page. For example, if we have some pages we do not want to check on, like the French version, for example, or any particular subfolders which we would like to skip, for example, well, let's just pick the bags, because well, not everyone might be interested in some particular folders, or some folders might already be optimized to the best, and you might not want to spend the crawl limits on those folders, or you do not want to see the errors triggered on those folders. That's quite understandable too. Or sometimes our users might want to remove the bot from checking some technical parts of the website, like, for example, login subfolder, where our users are able to log in and see into the website. A lot of technical issues might be found in that subfolder, but they might not be really fixed at all, because sometimes login pages are quite, well, tricky to optimize. And they are not really relevant to website optimization, because login pages are not the ones we are going to show to Google, isn't right? And with that option, we can exclude those pages from the crawl, just in order to get only the relevant pages crawled and checked by the SEMrush tools. Right. Next tool is the URL parameter. That one might be important if you have a lot of search pages on the website, if you have a lot of lists, a lot of result pages, for example, if you have the subfolder clothes and have a lot of pages on that particular subfolder. That parameter will help you to not crawl all those pages, because that might not be relevant to your business, might not be relevant to your Google indexing, and that will help you to just get only the pages you are looking for checked. Right. And the last setting for the site audit tool is the schedule. That one is quite easy. You just select which day you would like to rerun the site audit and get the results. Also, there is option to only do the site audits once. For example, if you're checking on your competitor's domain and want to see what their optimization is like, you might not want to spend your crawl limits on your competitor's domain. Just check it once and see what issues does they have in order to improve your domain on those issues specifically. Or you can select the tool to run daily for your domain, just in order to see how the optimization of your tools, of your website goes, and what's going on in the SEO optimization of your website. Right. There is also an option to send an email every time the audit is complete, for example, every week at Thursday, or you can remove that link, that checkmark, and only view the results in the site audit results here in SEMrush. Right. After we set up the site audit, the tool will take some time to crawl the pages. It might take a couple of minutes due to some domains having the crawl delay in the... Oh, I've set up the domain I've set up the tool to check the non-existent subfolder. That's one of the most common issues, by the way. Right. Okay. It will take a couple of minutes to check all the pages. Sometimes it can be quite a lot of time if the pages have a lot of blocked pages. If the websites have a lot of crawl delayed access pages. But after a while, the site audit will show us the results for all the pages checked on the domain. Site audit is checking pages one by one, starting from the home page and going from link to link on the home page and on other pages. Right now, you can see the site audit results for Amazon.com.au. That one has run for some time now, and there is a lot of results and a history of results, which might be quite useful for you to get an idea on how that how those pages are optimized on the run. Main issues that the site audit is checking for are crawlability and user experience related. So most of the checks will show you if any of the pages have broken links, if any links on the page cannot be followed by bots or by user. And another useful thing here is the duplicate content checks. The tool will check for all the duplicated title text, contents, meta description, some other duplications like the H1 tag, for example, and show you all the results divided into different groups based on how critical that particular issue is. There are errors, warnings, and notices here. The notices might not be relevant at all because some of them just suggestions to the website, while the errors are the most critical ones, which should be fixed as soon as possible. Both contain broken links, pages which cannot be crawled due to network issues, and some other checks based on for example, HTTPS security protocols missing, and all the other checks related to the issues that might lower your search engine positions. There are options to view the particular errors in order to analyze them and get rid of them in the future. In the error report, you can see the page where the error was found, and the link URL, which will help you to see which particular link is the error, triggers the error to show up. Also, you're able to view the HTTP code if it's implied in the error, and the time it was discovered, the particular update of the tool where this particular error was discovered. There is also option to view the crawled pages report, where you can view different options of the tool in order to see, for example, all the response codes of your website pages, or view the amount of incoming internal links to some of the pages, and all the other information available in the SEMrush tools. Basically, you can get a report on your pages and how they're seen by users and by search engines. There is also a statistic window where you can find information on your pages on how hard it is to get to those pages, how hard it is to find AMP link, which is the mobile link for the page, and what type of status codes particular pages are returning to the crawl bots or to users. There is a new report here on HTTPS implementation. This one might be very important right now due to the last Google updates, because Google right now well, insists on all domains having an HTTPS version and showing the right SSL certificates, and shows the secured domains on the first positions, well, as a rule. Sometimes that can be rather tricky to optimize all those options and all those certificates, and our tool will help you to see what might be wrong with your certificates and what can be improved. Right. There are options to compare different checks, for example, to only to see how the optimization of your website is going, and there are options to view the reports on particular issue. For example, well, let's view the broken internal links. Right, and in the report here we can see that the total number of how the number of broken internal links changed over time with different checks, and what's to be expected when you're looking over the reports in the next check. Right, that's about everything with a basic overview on the site audit tool. You can see that it will help you to optimize the technical parts of your website and get an idea on what to expect for your users and for your SEO optimization to go on. Right. Next tool, which I would like to show you, is the Keyword Magic tool. This one is still in beta access, but it will give a lot of interesting results when you are searching for some keywords, and will get you all the good keywords which you might want to promote yourself with related to your original keyword. Let's pick up some keywords. Well, as an example, we should use something interesting. What should it be? Well, let's pick up an Eastern holiday and see what the tool has to offer us based on that particular keyword. Unfortunately, not all the countries from the analytical database is available yet on the Keyword Magic tool, but our developers are working on it and going to add all the keywords from the analytical database as soon as the tool will be released from the beta access. Right. In the report here, we can see all the keywords related to our original seed keywords. By default, they're sorted on volume. We can sort them based on every particular metric here. Filters can be hidden or showed here, and we can select all the options which we need to view the keywords with a particular click per cost, or the keywords with a particular amount of words in them, the phrases with a particular amount of words in them. If we set up, for example, if we set up any particular keywords here, we will be able to see the amounts of overall results. The less keywords we drop in by default as a seed keyword, the more results will be seen, and we can analyze those results and select different categories of the keywords just in order to find only ones relevant to our domain. There are subcategories available in the report here, and let's go. Holiday airports should be, yeah. And by analyzing the particular subfolder or looking through the different keywords, we can find only ones most relevant to our domain, ones which will be most useful to our domain. There is also options to select the by volume categorizing, and the tool will show you all the subfolders and show you the overall volume of the keywords found in each subfolder. subgroup. Right. After we set up the particular group of keywords which we would like to explore even further, there is option to do that with a keyword analyzer tool. We can add a lot of keywords at once to the keyword analyzer. The technical limit here for now is 1,000 keywords which can be added to a keyword analyzer. In the keyword analyzer, we can dive even deeper into analyzing those keywords. We can get online data for those keywords just by updating the metrics for them, and the tool will show us the top 10 competitors for those keywords. We will be able to view the keyword difficulty based on the top competitors and the click potential of the keywords based on the amount of SERP features and search volume of the keywords. Also, the tool will pick up the relevant current SERP features showing up in the search for this particular for every particular keyword here, and we will be able to analyze and view all the information on the particular keywords. Yeah, I've selected hundreds of keywords to be updated at one time, but that might take a bit of time. Usually should not take longer than a couple of minutes. Some of the keywords might already be oh, here we are. Right, so in the report here, we can see the amount of the top 10 competitors and what's showing up for this keyword in the top 10 results, well, the first page. And we can see the SERP features, which ones are triggered by the tool, by the keywords, and which one is expected to take the traffic of the domains. Right. So all the results can be even further filtered in order to get only the relevant keywords for your campaigns, and the tool can help you optimize your future AdWords campaign or your organic campaigns, just in order to get the most relevant keywords and track and keep an eye on the results for those keywords. There are also options to move those. To send the selected keywords into the position tracking tool or to the PPC keyword tool. That will help us to get the idea on how those keywords might be further optimized in the PPC keyword tool. And in position tracking, we will be able to view the positions, to track the daily positions of our domain and our competitor's domain for those particular keywords. I will get back to the position tracking in a moment. In the meantime, we are going to overview the next tool. That one is also in beta access and will be released to the full access soon. Let's select a country. Oh, why not? And in this SEO content template, we are able to view and analyze the top 10 results, top 10 rivals, basically the first page of Google search for a selected keyword. That will help us to see which tricks, which features our competitors are already using for a keyword, and see how they're showing up in the selected region. In the tool, we can select the country, a particular region, particular city, if we need, and view how the search page looks from different devices. Right, the target holiday should be, well, why don't we use in? Right. The tool will now collect data on the top 10 pages, top 10 results in the Google search, and show us what is the main competition for the keywords in the selected region, which is Australia, New South Wales region. Right. So For the keywords in, the top 10 competitors are shown right on top of the results. We can access those pages just in order to see what is bringing users to those pages. And in the report here, we can see all the information on the particular content, which is related to all those pages. We can see the reports on the semantically related keywords, which can be used in addition to our original keywords. We can see the amount of the top backlink domains, given backlinks to our top 10 competitors, and the tool will also collect the readability score and text length on the particular keywords. You can see how the pages use the particular the original keywords in order to analyze it and maybe optimize your meta description of a page. And in the reports, you can see the suggestions to improve. The suggestions to improve the descriptions and some basic recommendations which will help you to view how the particular domain is showing up and what's going on, what can be optimized for your on your domain for the original keyword. All the tool is optimized to help you copy paste all the keywords and backlinks, and you can analyze the results here. And at all the times you can select different region just in order to view how the different regions of your country will see the same keywords. And the tool is collecting data online, so all the results are fresh and relevant, just taken from the Google search page. Right. Next tool which we are going to discuss is the position tracking tool. I've mentioned it once before, and I suppose in order to get you all the options here, I should show you how to set it up. Right. This one is one of the most interesting tools of SEMrush. In the setup, we can select to view the particular parts of the domain or the root domain. Most of the time, we advise to only select the root domain at the start of the tool, and different parts of the domain can be set up as a competitor, just in order to view all the positions at once, and not only once limited by a subdomain or subfolder. But feel free to play around with the tool and check if you need to track the particular subdomain, to check on the positions on the particular landing page and particular subfolder which you might need. In the tool settings, we can select to track the root domain. We can check on the different any particular location which we might need to view. For example, it can be basically anything here. I'll set up just random country and region right now, just in order to show you the options here. We can view all the we can view the search results from a particular country, or we can be specific and set up a particular city or region. We can stop at any point here just in order to get the regional results or national results. And in the results selection, we can get the volume, the showed volume, to be national or local, just in order to get further information on the local volume and local amounts of customers which we might attract with a particular keyword. Right. There's also an option to view the results from different devices, just in order to keep an eye on how your domain looks up in the search from different devices. Next option here is the competitors. You can add some of the suggested competitors. Those are the ones found in the SEMrush database for the same keywords as your target domain. And you can type in any particular domain which you would like to be a competitor for your domain. And as I mentioned before, you can set up even your own domain, different parts of your own domain as a competitor in order to get the, well, more information about a particular part of the domain, about a particular URL or a subdomain. I will show you how to do, how to view the results proficiently in just a bit. And the last step in the position tracking is setting up the keywords to track. The keywords may be added manually. This can be any particular keyword you would like. It doesn't have to be in our database, and all the results in the position tracking will be collected online. So it won't be limited by the SEMrush database or any particular database, just the straight results from the Google search. We can also upload keywords from the SEMrush database. We can upload keywords from Google Analytics account if we're connected. All the keywords can be uploaded here from the text file in .txt or .csv format. Right. That should be enough. After you've selected keywords and get rid of ones you don't want to check on, for example, the Amazon.com might not be very relevant to the Amazon because, well, that's the brand name, and the Amazon is most likely to be the first one on that. You can add the keywords to projects and start the project. The tool will be updating daily, and will collect data on every position for every keyword. Let me show you the one which have run for a while, and you will be able to see what's to expect, what's to gain from the tool. Right. In the Amazon.com.au project, which I have here, the tool has run for quite a while, and there are options to view all the results, all the positions for any of the time since the project started. In the tool here, you can see the position of the domain for a particular keyword and all the competitors as well. In the tool, I have set up one of the pages as a competitor, just in order to see how the particular page might look like and what keywords are leading to the different pages of the same domain. Like, for example, here in the for the keywords Kindle Store IU, we can see that the overall position of the domain is first, and the particular pages on Kindle book page and the home page are taken second and third positions. Wonder what it is on the first position. We can just click on the position here and see the landing URL, and there is option to view the SRP page to see which results are showing up in the Google search for that keyword. Oh, that's quite a lot of results for Amazon, so I could have just taken all the results as well. Right. So in the tool here, other options of the tool, apart from just seeing the direct position and see how the position changes since yesterday, is to track, to keep an eye on your competitors. You can add any competitors just in order to, you can edit the competitors list as you go. For example, just to see some of the competition here, let's add the wikipedia.org. Wikipedia is quite interesting to view as a competitor because it is showing up for all the keywords, well, almost all the keywords, and we can get the positions for wikipedia.org for basically any keywords in the world. We can see the positions of the particular pages of the particular domains here. Even if the domain was not set up as a competitor before, the tool will still collect the data from the snapshots and view the positions and changes from the time the tool has been running. Okay, next couple of results here. Oh, next feature which I would like to show you is the keywords and competitor updates, which you can do at any time since the start of the tool. You can just click on the amount of keywords and add new keywords or remove the ones which are no longer interesting to you. You can see that one is quite easy. For example, analyzing the Amazon.com.au is not really relevant because it's the position #1 and might be just a waste of the keywords to track limit. Okay, and after we selected new keywords or removed the old ones, we just need to click on the update, and the tool will collect data for new keywords and start showing the results for different competitors if we change the competitor scope. Also, at any time, you can switch between the organic and AdWords just in order to view the positions in AdWords for different domains. As you can see, not all the domains are showing up in Google search for the same keywords, but that report will help you to view the AdWords positions of the domain in the times it's mostly needed. For example, if you need to only get the AdWords campaigns and not interested in the organic results. Please take note that sometimes the tool might not show all the important results because our tools are updated in the same time every day. It's around 6 o'clock at the selected region time, and it might not be overall relevant at the selected time, but it will still show you the positions of the keywords and the position of domains for selected keywords, and you'll be able to analyze your competition and your positions every day. Also in the tool here, we can analyze the ranking distribution of a particular of the keywords for a domain, which will show us for the amount of keywords from the campaign for which the domain and any particular competitors are showing up in the top results. We can see the rankings distribution in order to, the rankings reports in order to check on the position for a particular keyword. Oh, let me just switch back to organic. Right, the rankings reports will show us the trends and changes for a particular keyword. For example, if the domain was not showing in the search for some keywords, we will be able to keep an eye on that and see all the overall amount of positions and overall statistics for a keyword, and how different domains are showing up for the same keyword here. Right, and there are also reports on landing pages, which will help us to analyze which particular landing pages are working best for our domain, and additional reports on keywords available right here. So those are the keywords bringing users to a particular landing page. We can analyze not only our landing page, but the landing pages of our competitor as well, just in order to keep an eye on what's going on and what landing pages might be dangerous for our positions. And in the competitors discovery report here, we can find different domains which we have not yet taken into the account as our main competitors, but they might be taking the best positions. The tool will collect information about from the snapshots of the pages and show you all the relevant results. For example, here we can see that the angusrobertson.com.au was not yet before set up as a competitor, but it's showing up in Google search for the same keywords for 29 out of the keywords in my campaign. And we can set up this domain as a competitor. If the domain is not relevant to our course, to our show, to our keywords, like for example Wikipedia or Facebook.com, we can blacklist those in order to not see them suggested as a competitor in the future. And basically that way we can analyze and view all the related domains, all the domains which are competing with, for our positions in the Google search. Right, and the last report here is the device and locations. This one is available only on Guru and business subscription plans, and it's showing up the different results for the different for the different locations and devices. If your subscription is not Guru or Pro, Guru or Business, if you are on free or Pro subscription right now, you can only set up one location and one device in the position tracking campaign. But on the Guru and Business, there are options to view up to 10 locations and devices in one report. That's quite useful option because you won't need different projects to check on the same domain. Right, and another useful option, which I almost forgot to mention in the position tracking tool, is the alerts function option. We can set up different triggers in order to be notified if, for example, our domain has dropped out from the top positions. For example, if our domain leaves the top 8 positions for any keywords, we can be notified in the email or in the tool itself. The action can be optimized, and you will be able to view all the changes, all the interesting results in the position tracking, just in order to keep an eye on what's going on with your domain and what positions are you taking in the current Google search. Let me just remove this one in order just to show you how easy it is to remove a trigger if you no longer need one. And the position tool is quite useful when you are optimizing the website and want to check on how those optimizations work out for you and what results are you getting in the after you optimize the website. Okay, and the last tool which you were suggested to set up in this campaign is the Backlink Audit tool. Other tools might be just as interesting and just as productive, but those 3 project tools, the site audit, position tracking, and backlink audits, are the ones crucial to your website optimization process and to getting better results and better positions for your campaign. Backlink audit is quite important for your website because that's the tool which will help you to analyze your backlink profile and see if any of the backlinks leading to your website are potentially harmful and can be used by your competitors to lower your search positions, or can be used or might cause a penalty from the Google search engine based on the toxicity of the backlink. Right. You can see all the reports on the backlinks right here in the Backlink Audit tool. There are options to upload even more backlinks which are not yet found by SEMrush. You can upload backlinks from the Google Search Console from any particular source you would like. You can add them at any time here in the audit. In the audit tab. You can add them in the .csv file, or you can add them from the Google Search Console just by connecting it to the tool. Right. In the report itself, you will be able to analyze the backlink and how it looks like. You will be able to view the anchor text, and the reports on anchor texts will be available here. You can see all the related backlinks from the same domain, from the same IP address, or coming from the mirror pages identical to the ones you have you already have a backlink from. You can click on the toxic score here just in order to view which particular toxic markers are triggered by that backlink, and see information on every toxic marker in order to view if it is relevant for your domain, if it is relevant for your SEO optimization. Analyzing the backlink profile might be quite crucial, and while you do that, you might want to remove some of the backlinks. For example, if you are not able to optimize and cope with the fact that you have a toxic backlink, it's quite important to have an option to remove it. Usually, the Google backlink profile, the Google Search Console and the Google optimization process requires you to remove the backlink by contacting the website administration. You can just move the backlink to the remove list here in SEMrush tool and access that particular link in the remove tab right here. You can see that all the backlinks will collect some information on the website administration. Basically, the tool will look for the email of the website administration, which you can contact and request the removal of the backlink or optimization of this particular backlink. For example, if all it needs is to improve the anchor text or be moved to a different page, well, just in order to improve it and not get rid of this. The contact information might help you a lot, as well as the removal request, which we suggest right here. This one is rather polite, and the website administration is likely to help you out here and to remove or improve the backlink based on that email. You can add mailbox from the Gmail account just in order to send that request, or you can just copy the text and send it into the website administration and still get the same results. Right, and if a website administration cooperates with you, improves the backlink or deletes it, the tool will just stop picking the backlink up, and you won't need to worry about it anymore. And if the website administration does not cooperate with you, if they do not remove the backlink, you can move the backlink to the disavow list, and from the disavow list, you can create the disavow list for your Google Search Console. You can move the links out of the disavow list quite easy. If, for example, if they are no longer toxic, if they are no longer considered bad for your domain, and you can upload that disavow list to the Google Search Console. Unfortunately, yet it is manual process, so you will need to export the report here and upload it to the Google Search Console in the Search Console interface. But in the future, we want to optimize that process and connect the Google Search Console even further to gets the most to save your time and to help you get rid of those backlinks in no time. Okay, that's about everything with overview of those tools. Right. By improving those, by improving your backlink profile, checking on your site audits, and implying different keywords from the keyword magic tool and SEO content template, you will be able to monitor your website positions in the position tracking and see how your website is improving your positions and what's going to work on your website and what's going to be the best practices for your website to improve. That's about everything which we're going to overview in this webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in chat, in comments maybe, and I will look for it and see what might be. How can I help you here? Well, hello, Mr. Transon. Unfortunately, I do not have any promo codes for this particular event, and maybe some promo codes will be given to you in a follow-up email by our marketing specialists. I honestly do not know. Hi, Sam. Well, I am invincible. I'm sitting behind the screen here. Right. So if there are no further questions, feel free to contact us anytime through the contact form on our website, available right here under the Contact Us. And if you have any further questions for our support team or for our sales department, you can just send an inquiry right here. Right. So I suppose that's it for today. And yeah, and you should have a follow-up email sent to you in a bit. Right. Hi, Pravesh. Regarding the backlink tool, if you are cleaning up the bad backlinks, if you disavow the bad backlinks, it will impact your rankings because of Google will stop getting a penalty on your website if it is online, and if the website does not have any penalties right now, the Google will not imply it, so it will affect backlink either way. Just the results might be seen instantly or in a bit. That's the only difference between already having a penalty or not having it at all. Right. Right on. It was a pleasure doing the demonstration for you today. Keep an eye on the upcoming events, and if you run into any questions, any stops when you're using SEMrush, feel free to contact us. We are always happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.